Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. I'm going to take you out on our lot and we are going to see some fun facts about some of our great cars. First fun fact is Byrider out in Waukesha can help you get driving in a great car today and help you build your credit. Also, we are doing our huge tax time promotion. I'd love to tell you more about that. So give me a call at 262-506-3131. But also let me show you some of these great cars that we can help get you approved for. Did you know that inside of Dodge, some of the features, there is an air conditioning vent inside of your glove box, which means you can put cans in there during test drives to keep your drinks cold. The Ford Escape was actually the first vehicle that they made standard to have the start-stop option, so your car stops running at red lights, which helps with cutting down emissions and saves on gas. All Jeeps have an amazing Easter egg, and some people can spend forever looking for the one on their vehicle. However, I helped you find it on this one. It's a cute little gecko hiding right on the windshield. This car also has an amazing panoramic sunroof. So if you're looking for a great vehicle here at Byrider, stop in and see us. You can reach us at 262-506-3131 or stopping into our location, which is W226S1700 Highway 164, Waukesha, Wisconsin 53186. I look forward to working with you and getting you driving in a great car.